We're back again, and the last depositional environment we're going to talk about is going to be the continental environments, that is, those on land. Continental environments include fluvial or river environments, alluvial fans, lacustrine environments or lakes, glacial environments, and aeolian environments. These are wind-driven environments. Fluvial environments are all those associated with rivers and streams. Rivers can be braided and meandering. River channels, bars, levees, and floodplains are part of these fluvial environments as well. Deposits in the channels are coarse, rounded gravel and sand. There are also deposits in the bars and in the levees. The bars are composed of sand and gravel, and the levees are fine sand or silt. Floodplains are covered by silt and clay, all sorts of fine particles that deposit out of the water at flood stages. Alluvial fans are fan-shaped deposits at the base of mountains. They are most common in arid and semi-arid regions, areas that have rapid erosion. The sediment in these alluvial fans is coarse, poorly sorted gravels and sand. Lacustrine environments, or the lakes of our land, may be large or small. They can be shallow or deep. They can be filled with terrigenous, carbonate, or evaporitic sediments. Sediments are typically fine-grained, but near the edges on the beaches, they can be coarse. Fine sediment and organic matter settle in some of the lakes to produce these laminated oil shales. Playa lakes are shallow, temporary lakes that form in arid regions, and they periodically dry up as a result of evaporation. There are also glacial environments. This sediment is eroded and transported by the ice, of course. Glacial deposits are called till, and they contain large volumes and unsorted mixtures of all sorts of rock sizes: boulders, gravel, sand, and clay. The ice moves it all, and then when the ice moves away, when it starts to melt, it drops everything out. This picture shows a typical aeolian environment where wind is the agent of erosion and deposition. It is dominated by sand and silt, and it's common in many desert regions, including those desert regions in California. That concludes our look into the 3 depositional environments. We just finished with continental. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at sediments and their texture, size, and color, and what that could tell us about the history of the rock in that area.